guys, this is my new video and today I'm going to talk about how to get glass skin in just 4 steps. Yeah, you heard me right. In just 4 steps we are going to get nice glass skin like glass, just like Korean people. You have seen Korean people have such a beautiful skin and it's so glass, it's so glowing. So how can we achieve that in just 4 steps? It's very simple steps, guys. You keep on doing it. Like I think in 3 days you can see the result. In just 3 days, yeah, you heard me right. In just 3 days you can see the effect. So let's get started. Now the first step of Korean glass skin is nothing but cleansing. So you just go to the washroom and nicely, do it gently, face wash just for 60 seconds, 1 minute, and after that this first step is done. I'm going to use and show you how to use each kind of product. So first is the face wash. I already told you I use this Kaya, you can see here, yeah, charcoal face wash. So I'll show you how to use it. Yeah, you have to do it for 1 minute. Be patient, guys. Okay, so you have to keep on doing this gently for 1 minute. So now let's go to the second step. So second step is nothing but cleansing again, but now not with face wash. So when we use face wash, you must have felt that your skin is a bit dry, right? So in the glass skin step you have to do double cleansing. So in the second cleansing you can use cleansing milk, you can use cleansing balm. I especially use cleansing balm so that I can get my moisture back into my skin, just cleansing it. So you can do it like for 10 or 15 seconds and that is done. So I have cleaned my face with face wash for 1 minute and I wash my face and pat it dry with nice clean towel. And now I'm going to show you the second step, that is the double cleansing. And I use this is Earth Rhythm. It's a balm cleansing. It's a cleansing balm, and I'll show you how to use it. So you have to take a little bit. See, it's very moisturizing, guys. Awesome, it's really awesome. And you just take a little bit, see? And always put on some products in your neck, so everything should go down to your neck as well. So you have to do this just for 10-15 seconds, not more than that, because you already cleaned your face. Yeah, just for 15 seconds. Now the third step is nothing but scrub. So generally people in India use apricot or the scrub with beads. So it's very harmful, guys. It's very damaging for skin because it creates micro tears in your skin. You won't see it, but later on you will realize that your skin is aging much faster than actually it should. So you should always use cellulose-based scrub. It does not contain any kind of beads, so you just put some of the product and do it like slowly, okay, and then you can get the result without damaging your skin, guys. Yeah, you heard me right. Okay, so I have washed my face again. Now you have to do that step only for 10-15 seconds, not more than that. And never forget to clean your neck as well, otherwise your face and neck will have different different colors. So because this will remain dirty and you keen on cleaning your face, so don't do that. Now our third step is, this is scrub. Now this is cellulose based scrub. So this is very good scrub. It's from Bodyshop. Drops of Light. Yeah, link in the description. I'll show you how to use this. This is cellulose-based scrub. See, the texture does not have any harmful beads. You just have to take this little bit and apply here. Yeah, down to your neck. Now slowly clean your face. See, you can see the beads. Can you see this? These are not our beads. This is your dead skin coming out. Like, this is cellular buildup, and this is your dead skin that is coming out. Okay. And this you need to do only for 30 seconds. Not more than that. Keep on doing for 30 seconds. Be patient if you want good skin. And I'm going to wash my face after doing 30 seconds. Okay, now fourth step is nothing but moisturizing your skin. So you have cleansed so far. Now it's time for you to get the moisture back in your skin. So what you have to do, you have to use a moisturizer that should, I think it should contain hyaluronic acid. It helps your skin to get the moisture back in your skin so that it can absorb very well. So what you can, I will suggest for all oily skin and dry skin, they can use a water-based, any water-based moisturizer. Personally, I prefer Suganda rosehip, but you can choose any moisturizer, it doesn't matter, but it should contain hyaluronic acid. It is very moisturizing, and if you don't get it, you can use normal moisturizer, doesn't matter. But these 4 steps are very important. So the 3 steps you can already do, but the 4th step is nothing but moisturizing. So moisturizing your skin, even if you're oily skin or dry skin, doesn't matter, you have to moisturize, guys. So this is the 4th step, and you are done. Now the last step is moisturizer. So you have cleaned your face so far, and I have washed my face again, and then this is my last step, and this is Suganda rosehip moisturizer. You can see it. It's very good. It has niacinamide, so you can directly do push. Yeah, here a little bit. Yeah, I'll show you how to do it. Pat. Don't do, never pat. Pat. It will absorb more. Your skin will absorb more if you pat. Yeah, now my skin is ready. You can see the glow on my face. See it? Right? Yeah, I know. So you have to follow this step, and yeah, you are good to go. You can sleep, and even if you are not that kind of girl who puts on makeup before going out, so if you're going out, just put on a sunscreen and then you are good to go. And you can follow this as your night regime or your morning, your evening, anything to get a glass skin. Believe me guys, in just three days you will see the difference. Okay, bye bye.